Welcome to India's most desirable 2015. We're back with your favorite and India's most glamorous celebrity countdown. जहां आपके वोट्स ने चुना on www.itimes.com कुछ glitzy, bright celebs को who are every bit drool-worthy and desirable. So let the temperature soar in sweltering superstars के साथ on number 30 to 21.
Number 30, Elegant Imran Khan.
It's Amir Khan and family का next gen Khan, Imran. और जब एक स्टार हो इतना cute and charming, तो who wouldn't want to sing with him? एक मैं और एक तू. इमरान का chocolatey face और वो greenish brown eyes करती हैं इनके fans को hypnotize. कट्टी बट्टी का in love and सरफिरा Maddie in real life है an animal lover and such a soft-hearted guy. So married, taken and recently turned daddy to a little girl. इमरान बॉलीवुड के लिए थे, हैं और रहेंगे a shy guy lover boy who's loved beyond measure.
Number 29, Vivacious Gautam Rode.
Desirability के Hall of Fame में walking in style है someone who loves to dress and loves to impress. A gorgeous looking hottie, Gautam Rode. This Delhi boy is someone who is born to be in stardom. ये model turned actor. Recently दिखा on the small screen playing the mighty mythological hero Karn. Well, lead actor हो या TV host, इस fair and handsome guy next door की screen presence है absolutely pleasant. So on popular choice, it is the very much single and ready to mingle. Gautam Rode, जिनकी desirability है absolutely worth it.
Number 28, Confident Shikhar Dhawan.
क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड का चमकता पोल स्टार शिखर धवन, जिसे आता है with his bat mesmerize करना, वो भी लेफ्ट हैंडेडली. शिखर in his mustache जीतने जानते हैं वर्ल्ड कप ही नहीं बल्कि वर्ल्ड वाइड फैंस की अटेंशन भी. So ये fastest Indian in the world to reach the 3000 ODI runs वाला mark on desirability है on his marks, get set, go.
Number 27, Classy Saif Ali Khan.
बॉलीवुड के one and only नवाब, simmering hot and evergreen, सैफ अली खान. Known for his suave अंदाज, सैफ को एक्टिंग और नवाबी दोनों मिली है विरासत में. सैफ के ड्रेसिंग सेंस से लेकर उनकी आवाज तक, everything is a style statement in itself. And look at him. सैफ है such a delectable cocktail of looks and grandeur. Striking work and love life में quite a balance और संभलते पटौदी खानदान की पगड़ी in style. सैफ हैं इस race to appeal पर downright attractive.
Number 26, Rugged Randeep Hooda.
कभी too good, कभी too evil. It's the quietly glamorous king of biopics, Randeep Hooda. Not so long ago, Randeep ने काफी perfectly portray किया रंग रसिया का passionate painter. Biopic की spree continues क्योंकि इस trend-setting actor के पास है another intense role to play as the Indian prisoner Sarabjit. Well, guess what? Randeep के यही intense choices और mysterious अंदाज तो फैंस को लगता है absolutely खास. No wonder ये good looking bad man of Bollywood score कर रहा है quite a lot of brownie points on India's most desirable.
Number 25, Striking Neil Nitin Mukesh.
such a nice, tall and handsome treat to the senses, Neil Nitin Mukesh. That Neil है होनहार, पापा के quite a handsome and talented son, वो तो given है. साथ ही साथ, this fair and fashionable star manages to be the talk in Tinseltown. And look at him, ladies, such a sensation with a stubble, good-looking, well-dressed and well-spoken. मतलब who can resist saying I wanna take him home with me? ये blue-eyed poster boy of Bollywood है और Romeo with all possible shortcuts to desirability. And in his latest Bad Boy Avatar, the spree to sizzle hot रहेगी non-stop बरकरार for the eligible Bollywood bachelor Neil Nitin Mukesh.
Number 24. Sexy and sober Sushant Singh Rajput.
See who's here? A Shuddh Desi simple sober stunner, Sushant Singh Rajput. Sushant की अपील है as exciting and as mysterious as Detective Byomkesh Bakshi. कभी shy to the core, तो कभी इस romantic lover boy की on-screen kisses की चर्चा चारों ओर. Sushant की popularity is everywhere, including the cricket pitch. बहुत जल्द in and as धोनी, Sushant दिखेंगे करते अपने dedicated fans को clean bowled. And for now, इस on-screen skipper का motive है to make heartbeats skip on India's most desirable.
Number 23. Dashing Karan Singh Grover.
A Punjabi Munda creating waves with his bad boy glamour. Karan Singh Grover. Karan के साथ who doesn't want to have some Dil Dosti dance? इस small screen sensation ने few years back big screen को कहा कबूल है and that transformed his life. No wonder ये Hate Story 3 का erotic charmer आजकल है in love and in hot demand. Quite often Karan flaunt करते नजर आते हैं अपनी 8-pack abs and वो unmissable tattooed physique. ये Glad Rags Manhunt में मिला model turned ladies magnet है, ultra robust on desirability.
Number 22. Good boy Gautam Gulati.
He is cute, he is adorable, and he is TV world ka stylish youth icon, Gautam Gulati. Blessed with those dreamy eyes and all of 28, Gautam ka golden rule hai to steal hearts all along the way. Kabhi hosting, kabhi acting, kabhi ramp, तो finally the big screen. Gautam है कसम से such a कहर on screen with looks, style, a smile that kills. Gautam is adding tons of teen ka tadka to every frame he features in. And very soon, in Azhar as Ravi Shastri, ye Delhi ka good-looking Gulati boy hai in a mood to score high on loads of sex appeal.
Number 21. Stylishly sexy Arjun Rampal.
Ruling all the hearts, it is Bollywood ka knight in shining armor, Arjun Rampal. Arjun for his fans hai a timeless classic. And for the guys in the gym, such a perfect role model. वैसे वो sculpted look Arjun को भले ही gymming से मिला हो, but his good looks, that he got in his genes. और क्योंकि बात हो रही है desirability की, तो अर्जुन के dimples deserve a special mention. All set to star and rock on too. Arjun hai what a 6 feet and 2 inches tall, muscular delight to the eyes. And on India's most desirable, Arjun Rampal hai undisputedly rocking. मिलना बाकी है 20 और ग्लैमर आइकॉन से only on Zoom. Turn on.